the first mistake you'll be making on Hamster Kombat is not connecting your wallet. Okay, so when you come here to airdrops, make sure you connect your wallet. If you don't connect your wallet, you are not going to receive your airdrop. Please, I've done a video about wallet connection. Go and check my previous videos on Hamster Kombat, how to connect your wallet. Okay, and watch this video. It's as simple as ABC, so that you don't waste your time mining airdrop and at the end of the day you don't collect your airdrop. You don't receive your airdrop because you refuse to connect your wallet. This is how you will be paid. It's just like a company telling you to drop your account details, so that when it's time to make payment, they are going to pay you, and then you refuse to drop your account details. Okay, so please go and connect your wallet. Stop making this mistake. Number 2 is not increasing or matching up your level. Okay, so when you look at this place here, you will see that I am in Grandmaster. So what this means is, for you to be in Grandmaster, you should have accumulated at least 100 million. 100 million is what is going to take you to Grandmaster. Since I'm in Grandmaster, it means that I must not go below 100 million, because that is what has gotten me to this point. Without 100 million, I will not be in Grandmaster, and there is no way I can go back here to Master. We have Master before Grandmaster. Do you understand? So now that I'm in Grandmaster, I'm having 316 million as a balance. I can buy profit per hour, up to 101 million, but not 100 million. Not down to 100 million, please, not below 100 million, because that will be it will make me ineligible for the airdrop. Because now, how can I be having lower balance than my level, than my current level? It doesn't make any sense. So it's going to make Hamster Kombat filter you as a bot. Do you understand? Same applies when you are in Master. For you to enter the Master level, you need to have 50 million balance. Do you understand? But once you get this 15 million balance, please make sure you don't go below this 15 million. Start accumulating from 51 million and above, no matter how you are buying your profit per hour. Same applies to those who are in Legendary. If you are in Legendary, make sure your level is not below 10 million. Your balance, make sure your balance for this Legendary level is not below 10 million. Make sure it's from 10 million and above, no matter how you buy your profit per hour. Same applies to Epic. If you are in Epic, make sure you don't have less than 2 million. If you are in Diamond, make sure you don't have less than 1 million. Okay, so that's how it applies to all levels. So the next one we'll be talking about is the profit per hour. Okay, so now it is very important to increase your profit per hour. Okay, so that does not mean that you should carry your profit per hour to 1 billion. No, the main thing is you buying your cards to match up with your profit per hour, to make sure at least you have a reasonable profit per hour. A reasonable profit per hour is as from 1 million and above, or even 500,000. But 500,000 will only generate you 1.5 million in 3 hours. So the essence of this profit per hour is when the airdrop comes, there will be a vesting period. Now, what is a vesting period? A vesting period is a period in which the company Hamster Kombat will pay you, which is usually 4 months, okay, from the white paper. So the first month you will collect this here. Do you understand? This is what is going to be given on the first month, your main balance, which you have already generated from your profit per hour. This is your current first month generation. Then after this has been cleared, the next month, being the second month, whatever this is generating for you, that is what you will be paid automatically into your wallet. Then the third month, same thing happens. Whatever is generated from your profit per hour into your balance is what will be given to you on the 3rd month. Then on the 4th month, the same thing. Whatever is generated from your profit per hour is what will be given to you in your balance. So this is the reason why I'm having this much balance, because out of these 3 months I've been mining this hamster kombat, I want to get my first month's payment, and that is the reason why I'm accumulating this much balance. Even for the fact that I have a good amount of profit per hour. Okay, do you understand? So by God's grace, I'll still be increasing my level to about 1.3 million or maximum of 1.5 million, so that I can also maintain a good balance. So this balance is very important. In as much as your profit per hour is important, you need a very good balance, okay, so that the hamster kombat does not see you as a bot. You don't want to have a balance lower than your level. Like I said before, you don't want to have a balance lower than your current level. Okay, so please, this balance is very important in as much as your profit per hour is important. Remember, your profit per hour is stagnant. It doesn't grow unless you buy a card, but your balance grows because whatever you make here in your profit per hour is coming here at the end of the day. This is just a logic. Do you understand? Your profit per hour balance or generation is coming here to your balance. That is what makes this your original balance. I hope you understand. So for the fact that your profit per hour is important does not mean you should take your balance to zero. No. I hope you understand. So the profit per hour is very important because of the vesting period. If there were no vesting period, then this would have been, probably useless. Do you understand? Okay, so this is important because of the 4-month vesting period, which you'll be getting your airdrop. Okay, so it will be a 4-month period. So that is the reason why this profit per hour is important. Okay, so but if you can accumulate from 500, 1 million, 1.5 million, you are good to go. Okay, do you understand? So please guys, make sure you accumulate enough balance which matches your level, so that at the day of airdrop launch you are going to collect something tangible for your efforts during this 3 months period of your mining and all that. Okay, number 5, not claiming your tokens, your profits per hour generated tokens every 3 hours. At least we have about 8 3 hours in a day, which makes 24 hours. So even if it's 6 times or 5 times in a day, at least it's something that should give you about 15 million if you're having 1 million per hour, every day. So that means 3 hours is 3 million times 6 or times 5 hours, that's 15 hours. So claiming your balance every 3 hours puts you on an edge to have more accumulated balance. Okay, so please don't make this mistake. Some people think that when they load up their profit per hour, when they leave it there because they have enough profit per hour, then it's going to be generating forever and be claiming automatically into their balance. No, that's not going to happen unless you come and claim it manually. And then the 6th thing is your daily combo. Always make sure you come and claim your daily combo every day. Okay, your daily combo, your daily cipher, your daily reward. Please, daily combo, daily cipher, daily reward, these 3 things are very important. Always come here to earn. Okay, and then complete all these tasks. Please, they are very important. Only bots don't complete tasks, but human beings complete tasks. So if you don't complete all these tasks, hamster kombat will see you as a bot and you will not be eligible for the airdrop. That is just it. That is how they do in all projects. So if you are in my group, you already know what all this, how important these things are. Your daily combo will give you 5 million, and then your daily cipher will give you 1 million. So please always take advantage of all these cards. These are what is going to boost your profit per hour and your balance. Okay, so when you come to special, you will see a particular card that just came out now, and this card is having 322 hours left for you to buy this card. If you watch, this is the only card that is different amongst all cards in Hamster Kombat. You can never see any card that has a timer at the top like this. Do you understand? So this one is different from the normal ring card. Ring card are cards that we see when we buy them, you know, that have timer. You know, that timer is different from this particular one. This one now is a countdown at the top of the card, which is inscribed there, you know. So please, they are giving us time and opportunity to buy this card before launch date. Who knows what this card carry? We don't know yet, but this must be a special card because this is the only different card. Ever since day one, we've been mining hamster. We've never seen a card like this before. So please and please purchase this card now before it's too late. Okay, so it could be that if you don't buy this card, you might not be eligible. Do you understand? So this is a very cheap card and you should not miss this opportunity. So now that I've bought the card, all you have to do is keep buying this particular card, you know, try and raise the level. You can see, because the card is so cheap and it's giving me enough profit per hour, I've bought it up to level 4. Okay, so I'm going to wait and keep buying. Do you understand? So the more I'm buying, the more the levels are increasing, the more my profit per hour will be increasing, the more it becomes expensive. So when it gets to maybe 500,000, I might stop buying. Maybe at that time I will have accumulated enough profit per hour and gotten to level 13 or level 14.